Hey guys, so previous video we've showed you the shock absorbent, the blind spot, and now we're going to show you the front sensor system. So it's a bit difficult to see because it's black sensors on a black body, so it's hard to see, but we have 4 sensors in the front here installed, and we have a small LED screen in the front on the top of the dash. That LED is for our front sensors. I'm going to start the vehicle. The ignition is on, so the sensor is activated. I'm gonna get close to an object in front of us. As we can see, we're about 2.5 feet away from an object in front of us on the right side. And the closer we get, see less and less distance, until we have about 1 foot. Put the vehicle back in reverse. I'm gonna get away from the object, and the sensor is stopped. Parking sensors for the front and for the rear can be found in car system installation. Subscribe to our channel. I will see you next time. Have a great day.